YouTube. I'm in Mount Pleasant, Patriots Point. I'm over here with my nephew and his son, and I brought my drone with me. Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. I don't know too much about this area, this Patriot Point, but from what I've been told, you could tour these. I think they may be old warships. So let's just fly over here. I'm going to go up just a little more. It's a little windy out here. And let's just fly over this ship. I'm assuming these static aircraft are not operational, huh? Okay. And I'm going to go up my max.
Max altitude reached.
And then we'll fly over it. I don't see any people, but I do hear. Is that an airplane? We won't fly over it, but.
So helicopter to take off from over there too. I don't know if
Okay.
there or not.
I'll get notified. I'm going to pull up my map. I'm just pulling up my map here. Maybe. One second here. There we go. Okay. We'll kind of do a half orbit around it, but you can see the people touring the ship. I'm assuming that this is Navy, but I was Air Force. I know some Navy aircraft, like the F-15, F-14. No, F-15 is Air Force. F-14, Tomcat. And, because we used to refuel them, but and we're over the water, so I don't need to be that high. I'm not close to the ship. And I'm going to go in center mode. And here you can see the people walking. And we're going to tour it, so I'll take some pictures and videos. But here's where you get on. That looked like an F-14. Looked like one of the Blue Angels aircraft. Gives you an idea how big this thing is. And again, I'm nowhere near it, kind of. I'm going to go kind of like eye level. I think my nephew said there's two of them out here. Okay. He's telling me there's another one over here somewhere. Let me zoom in. Where?
Small one right there.
Oh, it's right beside it. Okay. Yeah, I definitely want to tour that. I think one weekend I'm going to just pop down here and spend a whole couple of days in Charleston. Now what I'm going to do, we came in and over the, what was that bridge? Ravenel?
Revenue.
Off the Ravenel Bridge, what you see here. And it's pretty cool because you see people walking over there. I think I'm fighting the wind going, but we're gonna go close to it. Yeah, I am. Oh, I'm in cine mode. That's why. I'm like, why am I going so slow? Arthur Ravenel, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, off the Revenue Junior Bridge.
Arthur Ravenel Junior Bridge. Let's go in sport mode.
Sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Maybe we can chase a boat. I'm gonna have to get up a little bit. Get some more bars. Let me slow it down. And maybe we could see the people. They got a little path here. Let's zoom in.
Max altitude reached.
And maybe we could see the people walking over the bridge. I don't see anyone yet, but my monitor here is, come on, where are you people? I'm losing signal, so I gotta come back a little. Let's go over here.
Max altitude reached.
Yeah, I'm losing signal, so let's just swing it around one more time. Come down. There we go. And here we go. Here's what I was talking about. The people can walk and jog over the bridge. Yeah. And let's just do one more shot here. The further I go, the more I'm losing signal, so we're gonna stop here. And what river is this, Francis?
Cooper River.
Cooper River. Okay, we'll start heading back because I'm really losing signal. Let's head on back. Get a few more shots of this ship. And we'll do that. And speed up here.
Unavailable. Fly with caution.
And I'm going to go down just a little, but I won't get close. Okay. Do another orbit. How long will it take to walk from one end of that ship to the other? Do you know? Think. You know?
2 miles. So.
Is it 2 miles?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh no, the ship. I think you're talking about
No, the ship.
ship.
The bridge is 2 miles.
I don't know because you got about 4 different levels in there. I think.
He said there's like 4 different levels in here. I will definitely come back here again.
We got more airplanes on the inside too. The next level down. Like
Oh, okay.
Ones, yeah.
Okay. All right, let's get this back to my home point. And I'm going to do a return to home. Let's mute the beeping. And then I'll get out here and catch it. It's been a quick, fun flight. I'm in this parking lot. It's free parking. And I check, and I was cleared to take off. And there we are. It's a little windy. I'm glad I did bring the Air 3 versus the Mini 5, which I'm pretty sure the Mini 5 would have did well. But anyway, I'm going to wrap this up, and I'll see you guys on the next video.